Marvel Stadium. De Koning and Marshall set up. Nevitt's in the middle as well alongside McRae. Good leap by both. Drive it deep off the boot of Wilson. And coming out and taking the mark. He's one of those men with headbands on.
But Darcy Wilson, ground level, so smooth. He's going to be a jet.
Off to another. Oh, huge leap. Ollie Henry.
Just to go on what Bucks was saying about the way Geelong have started, they haven't laid a tackle yet, Bucks. Last week they had an absolute record in tackles.
Yeah. Shannon Neal had his name written all over that.
7 goals in 6 games against the Saints. And Stengel makes right this time and gets the opener for the Cats.
Of last week. Club made life difficult in the air for Humphreys. He had a good backup. O'Connor supremely confident, and rightly so. Watch the progression of Shannon Neal. 23 goals, 11 last year, 15 games. A goal last week, and he's put that through as his team needed after 4.
Big fly. He's impressive, this young man.
I think that'll be the case again from a Geelong perspective. Jai Clark, all of a sudden, some of the young Cats need to be nimble and agile and to lift and to deliver perfectly.
Massive pack of players. Falls to the man in the long sleeves. Never going to miss it. Close with his first.
All those occasions today. Towards full forward. In fact, it was an adjusted kick for Holmes. That was so beautifully seen by Patrick Dangerfield. 13 goals, 6 he kicked. He needs to make this one. It was touch and go. But it's the green light for Max Holmes and the Cats.
It'll be a real team lift. He gets close to the man on the mark. And, well, it's a foul ball. Just sneaks through for a point. So, the Cats fight back with a couple of late goals, but still a 29-point margin the way of the Saints.
Against Windhager in the forward line late in that quarter.
Beautiful centre bounce to split the ruck. Anything, and he does get a bit of charity in the end. Kicks to the 50, Wilkie to defend, but Neal too tall.
Umpire sees the
Cameron round the body to a chorus of boos, but nevertheless it's a goal.
Holmes has his way out of this one, slams it without any real direction. Pinched by Henry off the pack. Closey for his first AFL goal. The bounce was true, and the moment is his.
Do it again.
Been a game high 40. Here come the Cats on the run. Good change of hand pass. it from directly in front. Here come the Cats.
Hunter Clark in his milestone game. O'Sullivan batters it away to Nevitt, who read it well and feeds it to the inside.
They don't have forward representation down the line. Marshall can't get there.
Cameron.
Negotiate for the Saints defenders here.
He's come off his mark, so he has to kick in haste. No, oh, there you go, Closey.
To get hands on the foot, he stopped a certain goal. Another ball in from O'Sullivan to a dangerous area again. And one of the big blondes with a headband was sure to get it. To give the Cats some belief from directly in front, just toe pokes it through. Back to 21 points.
Marshall, a thorn in the side again. A fumble from Webster. Close and aggressive handball. And Closey might finish it for the Cats. Myers sets it up for Neil. Dempsey waiting at the back. Burns under immense pressure. Dempsey ready, waiting, and brilliant.
Collects it, takes his time, and just drives the ball forward to a one-on-one. Getting back, taking a really nice mark is Connor O'Sullivan.
And get a run up at the footy.
Burns trying to prevent him from doing that. Shannon Neal from 52 hits it really well. Oh, big Shannon Neal! Shows the crowd a fist!
Brilliant. Hall, they've got a loose forward. It's the hard-charging Windhager versus Henry. Henry steadfast and resolute as ever.
Back to Jones. Do they continue to attack or hold the footy here? Humphries, Hall. Humphries gets off him. Big moments in this game now. It has been huge all night. O'Connor drives into the middle of Marvel Stadium. Wanganeen Miller may have the last possession.
Yeah, we thought the opportunity was there. Even at half-time, we were really positive and thought if we were able to get the game on our terms, we're going to be able to score pretty quickly. Yeah, we just got to continue to learn and improve from these losses. If we can continue to learn from them, then we'll continue to get better for the season.